and then combined with the plain text for encryption, or with ciphertext for decryption by an exclusive or addition. So now this is our plain text. We have to convert back into stream cipher or stream. Okay, and this is our key will going to provide. Okay, with the plain text and key we have to make the operation what? XOR. Then we will get the cipher text. So this is concept of one-time pad encryption. Okay, see here it is unbreakable if the following conditions are met. What are those conditions? The key must be as long as plain text, and the key must be truly random. Okay, not in same. Randomly you have to apply the key. Then key must be only used once, not more than 2 or 3. Only one time you can use your key. In following example we will see how key will going to work. And these keys are used in pairs. The keys are distributed securely prior to encryption, and one copy of the key is kept by the sender and one by the recipient, but only one time. And both senders and recipients keys are automatically destroyed after the use. If you keep that key, it will become erroneous reapplication, or the same key is impossible. So only one time you can use that key. That's why we have to name one-time pad. Okay, see how one-time pad will going to work. It is also known as Varnam cipher, who implemented this ciphertext. And here consider alphabet with only 8 letters and corresponding binary representation. So this is a letter followed by binary representation. Letter E has the binary representation 00, and letter H has the binary representation 001, and I, K, L, R, S, T. Okay, these letters has the binary representation of 010, 011. This. Okay, this is this data will given in your exam. Okay, and one-time pad is used to encrypt the plain text, that is Heil Hitler. This is our plain text. After writing this plain text, we have to convert into binary stream following these letters. H is there, H. So what is the corresponding binary representation of H? This binary we have to write under the H. Then E has the binary representation 000, so 0 we have to write. Then I has the binary representation 010, so I we have to write. Okay, then next L is there, L has the binary representation 100, so 100. H again 001, then I again 010, then T 111, then L 100, then E 000, then R 101. Okay, after writing this binary format, we will consider the key. One-time pad key consists a randomly selected string of bits that is the same length as the message. Key and this binary representation should be same. Okay, means size. This is our okay, and after the key should be same size, then we have to XOR with the key, then we will get the ciphertext. Plain text XOR with key, then we will get a ciphertext. Okay, first task is you have to write what kind of plain text is given, corresponding binary representation you have to write. After writing, key will going to provide, based on that key you have to make ciphertext. How to make ciphertext? Plain text XOR with key. Now XOR, it is just for reference how this XOR will work. If 0 0 is there, so you can put 0. Now if odd number of ones, it will give the output what? 1. If even number of ones, so what is the output? 0. Okay, so see here, odd number. Here how many ones are there? Only 1 ones, right? So it is odd number, so what is the output? 1. So in this table 1 0 is there. How many ones? Only 1. So it is odd number, so it will give the output 1. So now here how many ones? 2 ones. If 2 ones means even number. Even number, what is the output? 0. So this is logic we have to apply in our one-time pad encryption. Okay, now so this is our key. Okay, we already written these things. Okay, he, il, Hitler. And what about key? This is given key, so this key. Then next is what? We have to apply the XOR with plain text and key. See here formula, plain text XOR with key, then we will get ciphertext. Now consider 1 1 is there. How many ones? 2 1. 2 ones becomes even number, na? So what is the output? 0. 0 1 is there, so even odd number 1, so what is the output? 1. 0 1. How many ones? Only 1 1, right? So what is the output? 1. So 1 1 0 will come. Then next letter 0 1. How many ones? Odd number of ones, right? So what is the output? 1. 0 0 0. 0 1. What is the output? 1. 1 0 1. Similarly, you can XOR all these remaining bits, you will get. Hints I already given. This is your hint. Okay. Now, after converting this, we have to write back in code, that is called ciphertext 110. Just now see here, this we have to convert back into letter. Where is the 110? 110 is S. Here we have to write S. Then 101. Where is 101? R. So R we have to write. Where is 100? 1100 is L. Where is 001? H. So we have to write back. Means convert back into letters. You will get the SR, L, H, S, S, T, H, S, R. This is what your ciphertext. If third person going to attack your plain text, he will get this message. this message is meaningless, isn't it? If that person knows your key, he will definitely get your plain text, isn't it? So this is what one-time pad encryption. Now we'll decrypt the key. How to decrypt? Simple. In previous example, you have for encryption you have used plain text XORed with key, isn't it? So here for decryption you consider ciphertext XORed with key, then you will get plain text. So this is our ciphertext. Previously we have got this message. Convert back into binary streams, wrapper the previous table, then key is same, then XORed. 0 1 is what? How many odd number of ones? Only 1, isn't it? It's odd number of 1, so what is the output? 1 will come. 1 1, it is even number of ones, so output is 0. 1 1, even number, so 0. It called 0 0 1. 0 0 1 0 0 0 0. Convert back this into letter, so we'll get he, il, Hitler. It is our plain text, isn't it? Okay, just remember this, how to encryption and how to decryption. Okay, and XORed is very important to convert ciphertext and plain text. Now consider this scenario. I told you have to use only key one time. Okay, here another scenario, everything is same but the key is changed. If key is changed, what will happen? Message is shown that kill Hitler. Kill Hitler, which is wrong message, isn't it? Why it will come kill Hitler? Because our key we have to use only one time. Okay, if you are using more time, so your message will come wrong. Then second scenario, here is also key is different, so he likes Ike. You will get message like this, isn't it? So one time keypad, it shows that it is probably secure when used correctly, isn't it? And it provides no information about plain text. Plain text is kept secure, but only ciphertext is moving. Pad must be random. Pad means what here? Key. Key should be random. This is key. Used only once. If you use 2 times, what will happen? Consider previous examples. Kill Hitler, he likes Ike, such kind of message will come. Pad is known only by sender and receiver. Third person knows that key, easily he can decrypt your message. And pad is same size as message. This one is very important. Your key size is equal to plain text. This size of plain text and the size of the key is same. So this is regarding about one-time pad. Thank you one and all. If you have any doubts, please ask me.